Hello everyone, I am Darshan BN. Today let's discuss about the topic conversion from infix to postfix algorithm. Before getting into the algorithm, let's discuss about the definitions. Infix notation. Infix notation where the operator comes between the two operands. Example A plus B. In postfix notation where the operator comes after the operands. For example AB plus. Postfix is also called as reverse Polish notation. Let's discuss the algorithm. There are 6 steps in the algorithm. In step 1, we take the infix expression, we check it from left to right side for tokens. Tokens is nothing but operators, operands or parentheses. And we perform step 2 to step 5 for each token in the expression. In step 2, if the token is operand, we append it in the postfix expression. In step 3, if the token is a left parenthesis, we push it to the stack. In step 4, if token is operator, we check if it has higher or equal precedence, then the incoming token append them in the same order to the output expression. After popping out all such operator, we push the new token on the stack. In step 5, if the right parenthesis is found, pop all the operator from the stack and append them to the output string till we encounter new opening parenthesis, that is left parenthesis. Pop the left parenthesis but don't append it to the output string because postfix notation does not have a brackets. In step 6, when all the tokens in the infix expression have been scanned, pop all the elements from the stack and append them to the output string. The output string is the corresponding postfix notation. Let's take it one example. Consider this expression a plus b power c star d plus e power 5. We check the infix expression from the left side. We consider this bracket. Bracket is an operator, so we push the bracket to the stack and check another. A is an operand, so we push the operand to the output string and the stack will remain same. Another, we check plus is an operator, so we push plus to the stack and check check next operator. B is a operand, so we push B to the operand and the plus and parenthesis remain same, and we again check power whole power is a operator, so we push the power to the stack there, and again check C is a operand, so we push C to the output string, and again check bracket, so it is a right parenthesis, so we push all the operators, and push it to the output string. The output will be like this, and we again check star is a operator, so we push again to the stack, and D is a operand, so we push D to the output string and check plus. We have to consider this too. Plus and star are the operator, but as a priority, star has greater priority than plus, so we pop the star out of the stack and insert it to the output string, and again we insert the plus to the stack. Output will be like this. Again we check E is a operand, so we push E to the output string. Again plus will be remain same, and again we check power is the operator, so we push power to the stack, and again check 5 is operand, so we push operand to the output string. Again check again check, so once all the checking was complete, we push all the operator in the stack to the output string. The output will be like this. So guys, I think you understand that well. Thank you.